Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a banana bread cream cheese pound cake. Doesn't that sound delicious? I can't wait. This is going to be a two-toned pound cake when you cut into it. The bottom of the pound cake is going to be the cream cheese pound cake layer, and then on top of that is going to be the banana bread pound cake layer. And then wait, there's more. Once it's totally cooled, I'm going to baste it with unsalted melted butter and then put on a crust of cinnamon sugar. So stick around for more deliciousness. First, we're going to start off by making our cream cheese batter. Add your unsalted butter to the bowl and beat the you-know-what out of it. Add your cream cheese to the butter and do the same thing. Sugar is in, beat that until it's light and fluffy. Now it's time for our eggs. Add them one at a time. I'm adding vanilla bean to this batter. Vanilla bean paste just gives it such a great flavor. Here I'm mixing together flour, salt, and baking powder. Add your flour mixture to the mixing bowl and just mix until it's combined. Transfer your cream cheese batter to a separate bowl and set aside. Now on to the banana bread batter. Mash 3 bananas. Now in our stand mixer, we're going to beat our butter. You know what to do. After that, we're going to add our cream cheese and beat everything until it's smooth, and then in comes the granulated and brown sugar. Our banana bread batter calls for 1 egg, so we'll add that and just beat until it's combined. In my measuring cup, I have my all-purpose flour. I'm going to add cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, and salt, and whisk it all together. Now we'll add our flour mixture to our mixing bowl. And here comes more of that delicious vanilla bean paste. Yum. Remember those mashed bananas? We can't forget about those. Now we get to layer our batters. I have a bun pan that I sprayed with baking spray, and I'm spooning the banana bread batter in first. Now we'll add the cream cheese batter, spread that around, and even it out. Now we're going to bake this at 325 for about 50 minutes. I'm going to check it, and then it will probably need to bake another 15. So I'll see you in a bit. We're done. We're out of the oven. We're totally cooled. Look how beautiful this looks. I am just so happy with this. It took a little longer than I thought. The recipe said to bake it for 15 minutes at 325. Check it, and then bake it for another 15 to 20. And I probably ended up baking this for about an hour and a half at 325, believe it or not. Just wasn't setting. Now, we're gonna do something a little fun. What I have here is 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I've melted. And we're going to just brush this entire bundt cake with butter. Okay, now I have a mixture of 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're just gonna drizzle this all over the cake. Now this is a little bit different. This isn't your typical bundt style. It's got these crevices. I'm gonna try and get the sugar in all of these little crevices here. All right, let's come in for a close-up. Here we go. Doesn't it look beautiful? I love it. Now all we need to do is taste test. All right, let's cut into this. Hold on. I'm gonna get a plate. The only problem with this style of bundt cake is that there's really no good way to cut this. So I'm just gonna cut into it. Are you ready? It's gonna be two-toned. because of the way that we put the batter in the bundt cake pan. And there you go. Look at that. I think this looks gorgeous. All right, here we go. I want to get both aspects of this cake because the brown part, that is the banana, and then the lighter part, that's the cream cheese pound cake. Oh boy, is that yummy. The cinnamon sugar on top just gives it that added oomph. Banana doesn't come through as strongly as I would have liked, so I may add like a third banana if I were to do this again. The cream cheese pound cake part, that is really delicious. Well, I'd have to say, winner, winner. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, as we made our banana bread cream cheese pound cake. It takes a little extra time because you're making two different batters, but that's okay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.